Welcome to exclusive sheets of engineering for the layman. For this episode, we wan show una how to use angle grinder clear grass for your house. This na 750-watt angle grinder. The bigger the size, the bigger the wattage. So this one right here, e suit the job wey we wan use am do. First of all, as you dey see, we go comot the stone because we no need am. Throway am. Comot the handle because we no go need am for now, but later we go need am. The next thing to do na to get small pipe wey we go use. We go knack im head flat, then come drill small hole on top wey that handle go take pass. Next thing na to get small rope. You type wey dey carry put for engine wey dey clear grass. Measure am, come put am through the hole wey we dey use dey lock the stone in place. That round washer so wey dey on top the machine, see the way we dey pass am now, na so e suppose be. Just dey careful make the rope no too long, but just follow the instruction for the video as you see am. Pass am, come tighten am, secure am in place so that e no go dey loose. Always remember, safety na our number one priority for this our exclusive farm. Don lock am tight. Check am out now. See am now. Very tight, nice looking. Next thing now na to attach the pipe, the small pipe wey we knack im head flat, come drill hole with the handle wey follow the angle grinder come. We come screw am very tight. Now that pipe go form the handle wey go hold the machine when we go dey use am clear grass. See am now. Don finish, no need more than this. Na all be that. Work don start. Safety o, your safety glasses, your safety goggles to protect your eyes from grasses wey dey fly. Na me be that. X sheet Abua. Just have fun while you watch us clear our grasses. Always remember, safety first. Safety first. Have fun while you watch. Thank you. Subscribe, like, comment. More videos like this dey come your way from our exclusive farm. Exclusive sheets of engineering for the layman. Thank you. God bless you all. See you next time.